Look at all that snow. The fresh mountain air. All the rivers and trees that cover the land. And if you guessed we were in Big Sky, Montana, you were right. We're out here on a snowboarding trip. But that doesn't mean we don't have time to squeeze in the hike. So with the help of a local and the All Trails app, we think we might have found the perfect winter hike. Let's go see how beautiful Montana is. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm out here in Big Sky, Montana. It's crazy, Big Sky, Montana. I've never been here before. You can see some of the mountains behind us. But I'm out here on a snowboarding trip. And I wanted to spend a day trying to see if we can squeeze in some hiking. But I didn't want to do any research. I wanted to experience it for the first time without looking up anything or knowing anything. So, met a local guy, pretty cool. He helped us get our car that was stuck out the driveway. And he said, Ousel Falls, which is about 10 miles away from our house. So Ousel Falls, which is a frozen waterfall. So we're gonna go there, see what it's about, not knowing anything. So I don't know if we're prepared for this at all, but we're gonna go on our normal adventure. So let's check out what Big Sky, Montana has for us. So like I mentioned earlier, we don't know anything about this place. So it's a frozen waterfall, that's all I know. And it's very snowy right now. So trying to see what we'll get. Alright, so far, weather's not that cold, right? Weather's not that cold. Snowy, the path is very snowy, so we didn't have any spikes on our shoes, but we did bring hiking shoes. It's getting pretty freezing, and time to head back. But Ousel Falls is pretty cool. It was about 2 miles round trip to a frozen waterfall, and it was pretty cool. And kind of ran out of time to get some of the shots we wanted, but we met a cool ice rock climber, and we were talking to him, having a good conversation for about an hour. So that took up the bulk of our time. But you know, we're able to get what we get, and sometimes it's 80% done is better than perfect.